it's time for the Sea Lion Splash. This is Sea Lion leader Lennon Stratman with this week's announcements. The nation celebrated the great Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. on Monday. We hope you enjoyed your long weekend. Kindness Week kicks off on Tuesday. Wear a shirt with a positive message to show your appreciation for others. Sea Lion Chorus rehearsal is this Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Let's be safe during drop-off. The OLSAT test for 3rd grade is taking place in the classroom on Tuesday. Let's ride the wave to kindness on Wednesday. Dress in your favorite surf or beach-themed gear. The OLSAT test for 4th and 5th grade is taking place after school on Wednesday in the Media Center from 1:30 to 2:30. Your teacher will let you know if you're taking that test. Show your team spirit on Thursday by wearing your favorite team's jersey to team up in support of kindness. Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. Keep practicing your dances. Kindness moves on Friday. Wear active gear to show kindness keeps us moving forward. The Jogathon is finally here on Friday. Let's give it our best on the field and encourage others to finish strong. Thank you for all the supporters and volunteers in our community who help make McGaw a wonderful school. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great day.
It's Kindness Week. Have a good one.
Hello, McGaw Sea Lions. My name is Mrs. Heron, and I'm your wellness counselor here at McGaw. And I'm so excited to talk to you about a new program that we're going to be bringing to McGaw's campus. It's called Start with Hello. And Start with Hello is an amazing program that schools all across the country participate in. It started at a little school called Sandy Hook Elementary, an elementary school across the country in Connecticut. And there were some things going on Sandy Hook's campus that made kids super sad and frustrated and angry. And the parents and teachers didn't know what to do to bring more happiness back to that campus. And so everybody got together, the kids, the parents, the principal, everybody came together and decided they were going to start this new program called Start with Hello. And all that you have to do is say hi to people. Every day, whether you know them or not, you intentionally go out of your way to say hello to people. And what they found was that saying hello is completely contagious. And as one person said hello to somebody, they started saying hello to people, and smiles came back to that campus. There was a lot more friendliness on campus. People were happy to get to school, and it was an amazing program. And so we are going to start it here, starting next Friday, which is the Jogathon. You're going to see all of your teachers wearing these amazing Sea Lion Start with Hello shirts. And then in February, our PTA is actually going to be selling them to you guys, so you can start to wear them as well. Once a month, it'll be the last Friday of every month. We are all going to be wearing these shirts on campus. If you don't have one, you can either wear your spirit shirt or any shirt with a positive message. And we're going to start intentionally saying hello to everyone that we pass. So let's get ready for this, and we can't wait to bring this to McGaw.
Attention Sea Lion scholars, get ready for an action-packed week leading up to the Jogathon. That's coming this Friday. We'll be building kindness chains in the Wellness Center next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday during recess and lunch recess. These chains will be proudly displayed on Jogathon Day, and we need everyone to build a link. Make sure you come and join the fun and help spread kindness. And guess what? You've already earned some amazing awards. Things like extra recess and free sit on lunch day. But there's so much more to come. If we hit $50,000, we'll unlock the Marshmallow Dodgeball at lunch. And at $70,000, it's the ultimate prize, a basketball stunt show assembly and the epic staff inflatable race. Plus, the foam party is back this year, so let's build the hype. If you've seen it before, you know how wild it can get. We want to see all the sea lions in that foam party. Let's make this week unforgettable. Start building those kindness chains and keep pushing towards our next goals. Together, we can make it happen. Rob McGaw.
I got a robot.
Yeah, way to go.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
This week's first Raw Buck winner goes to a UTK student. Congratulations to Rhea Tulay. It says here that Rhea showed kindness when a fellow student tripped and fell on the playground. Rhea stopped to make sure that she was okay. Thanks so much for being a helper out on the playground, Rhea.
Kindergarten.
Our next Raw Buck winner comes from Miss Sizemore's class. Congratulations to kindergarten student Costello Valerio. It says here that Costello is always cheering and congratulating his friends. His kindness is such a great example to others. Thanks so much, Costello.
First grade.
Mrs. Garola wants to shout out first grader Morrison Trujillo. She said that Morrison was an excellent helper when there was a sub in room 12. She said that Morrison was a super student all day long. Way to go, Morrison.
Second grade.
Our second grade Raw Buck winner comes from Mrs. Brendel's class. Congratulations to Vera Zilanka. She says that Vera displayed incredible focus during all these days of indoor recess. Thanks, Vera, for your leadership.
Third grade.
Mrs. Aniceto is excited to shout out third grader Harley Smith. She said that Harley did a great job as a teacher assistant this week. And that's what we need. Kids that are ready to assist their teachers so that everyone can benefit.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants to shout out fourth grader Phoenix Lopez. He said that Phoenix did an amazing job on her Diamante poem. She shared it with the class and did a great job. Way to go, Phoenix.
Fifth grade.
And finally, our fifth grade Raw Buck winner was noticed by Mrs. Seigan. Congratulations to fifth grader Moss Warzinski. She said that Moss threw away trash that wasn't hers. Thank you. And you know, fifth graders can really demonstrate their leadership by taking care of our campus and being a good role model for others. Thanks, Moss, for leading the way. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!